how to disassemble and clean the H&K VP9 and VP9SK magazine. So this is a VP9SK. It comes with the magazine configured this way so that it fits nice and snug up into the gun. So this magazine can be configured as well to fit the VP9 by putting on the additional base plate that comes with it. So to take the magazine apart, simply take something soft, you don't want to ding it up, and press the button in the middle. Just press that down a little ways while pushing back on the top just a little bit. Then once you get it to here, make sure your thumb is over top so the spring doesn't pop into your face. Slide that off, and then you got the spring, and then just allow the spring to come out. And then this piece here can slide off the top. Now you have your magazine tube is empty. Now to clean it, you can take a little solvent, any kind of gun solvent, gun oil. I use original gun oil for everything. It's a CLP, it's a cleaner and a lubricant. Clean any fouling off the feed lips. Then what I do is I just put a couple of drops in the inside of the tube, kind of smear around in there. Then I just force cotton cloth through there a couple of times. That's now clean. Then I'm just going to take the follower off of the spring. Do the same thing here with the follower. Clean it up. Then I just clean the spring. Little drop on there. And then just kind of follow the spring around. So it's going to kind of clean and lube at the same time. And you can clean this piece off if you need to. Clean the base plate up. So first I'm going to configure it as a VP9 magazine. So we're going to put on the spare base plate that came with it. To put the follower back on. So it looks like this. And then the follower is going to sit in the tube like that. The shapes match. So just slide it up in there like that. You want to turn it around this way so that this flat side is facing your palm. Push it down so it sits like this, and then take the flat side. So these notches are going to notch onto this ledge right here. So kind of put it in there like that. Line that up. So you want to get it like that. It can be a little tricky. And then once you get it lined up, slide it and it pops into place. Okay, so now this is configured for the VP9. Now this is an SK, so it doesn't quite fit right. There's a gap. So that's why it comes with, the SK comes with this piece. But this will fit your VP9. So now we're going to reconfigure it to fit the SK again. Just press down on the pin. While pushing that, just push it slightly. Get your thumb over top. Pull that off with the spring out. Now we're going to actually turn it around because this slides on from the other side. So it's going to go on this way. With this catch down here is in the back of the magazine. So we press it down, slide that on like that, and before you snap it into place, line it up this way, slide it on all the way down, because this piece is going to slide into this notch. So hold it up, press it in, and then that way fits nicely into the gun. Just make sure the follower moves up and down like that. And if you want to make sure it feeds perfectly, you can get some dummy rounds or snap caps. Just feed some dummy rounds into the magazine. Make sure it looks right, feels right. Put it in the gun. Make sure it chambers correctly, and you can even rack it a few times to make sure it extracts. Alright, if you like this video, please hit the like button below and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.